In the last video, we covered how to create tracking categories and edit them, and started taking a look at the types of reports that you can run with tracking categories. In this video, we want to take a closer look at the different types of reports that you can create and where you can apply tracking categories to create more detailed reporting for your clients. I'm going to head over to the Help Center quickly here, and this one covers the different reports that you're able to run tracking categories on. Things like the tracking summary report, budget reports, financial reports like the balance sheet, income statement, statement of cash flows, and statement of owner's equity. And then most of the other reports, not including inventory reports, can also accommodate tracking category. I'm going to link this article in the lesson module so that you have easy access to it. But let's head back over to Xero and take a look at how we can further run reports with tracking categories. Now let's head back over to the income statement and take a look at it a little bit more closely. Now the current view displays simply income and sales as a whole. Now by adding tracking categories, you're able to report on multiple dimensions. We have two tracking categories, region and department. So let's report by region first. And let's select all of these tracking category options and apply. I want to make sure to update that report so that it reflects. Now we have an income statement that is broken out by multiple regions, which helps our clients obtain a better understanding of how each region is performing. Again, the unassigned column will help you determine where transactions have not yet been categorized to a tracking category, and you can use Find and Recode to quickly add tracking categories to these existing transactions. Now, remember that we had a second tracking category, department. Let's see how the East Side region is doing. So we will go in and deselect all of the regions except for East Side. We're going to select all departments and click Apply. Now we have a multi-dimensional report for the East Side region, further broken down by department. Perhaps East Side is a new region that your client has expanded into, and monitoring each department's spend will be important. Again, anytime you're customizing a report, remember to save this as a custom report so that you don't have to recreate this report in the future. And another thing to note, if you plan to use an external reporting software in the future, they will most likely pull in Xero's tracking categories into their software as well.